In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a video on Threads from your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to expect, so your video goes live smoothly and looks the way you want. First, open the Threads app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load your feed and make sure you have a stable internet connection. This helps prevent upload hiccups, especially if your video is on the longer side. Next, look for the Create button at the bottom center of the screen. It's the square with a plus sign. Tap it to start a new post. You'll see a text field appear, along with a few icons underneath that help you add media. Now tap the photo icon directly below the text field. This opens your Photos library, where all your videos and images are stored. If you're seeing this for the first time and your iPhone asks for permission to access your library, follow the prompt to continue, as Threads needs access to pull in your video. From your photos, tap the video you want to upload. Take a second to confirm it's the right clip by checking the thumbnail and the length. If you record it in portrait or landscape, Threads will handle the orientation, but it's a good idea to pick the version that fits how you want it to appear in the feed. Once selected, you'll return to the post screen with your video attached. If you're prompted with a check button at the top right, tap it to confirm your selection. Some versions of the app ask for this extra confirmation, while others take you back automatically. Either way, you're on the right track. At this point, you can type your message in the What's New field if you want. Think of this as your caption. Add a short description, context for viewers, or a call to action. Keep it concise and clear so people know what they're about to watch. You can also include relevant keywords or mentions to help your post reach the right audience. When everything looks good, tap Post on the right side of the screen. The app will begin uploading your video. Larger files may take a bit longer, so keep the app open and stay connected until it finishes. Once it's posted, your video will appear in your Threads feed for followers to view and engage with. That's all it takes. Open Threads, start a new post, attach your video, add a caption if you like, and tap Post. You're ready to share your story with the world.